Hi, I'm Taresh Bhatia, a certified financial planner with CFP with over 37 years of experience in personal finance and life coaching. In this video, I want to talk directly to young married couples like you, couples who earn decently, want to make good financial decisions with their money, and yet still unclear on where it's all going. If that sounds like you, you're not alone. Most couples were never taught how to manage money together. But what if you could plan your future with more clarity, less guesswork, and full alignment with your values? Let me show you how. To me, money is most meaningful when it reflects who you are, your values, your life goals, your aspirations. That's why I have built my coaching method around something I call value matched planning method. It's about designing a financial plan that matches your shared values as a couple, whether that's buying a home, planning for children, building long term security while enjoying life together. It's not about complicated spreadsheets or rigid budgeting apps. It's about creating a simple system that evolves around you. My vision is to redefine how young Indian couples approach their finances, not with stress or anxiety, but with confidence and teamwork. That's why I have created our couple finance formula, a revolution, a growing community of like minded couples who are building financial harmony together. We believe that financial clarity isn't just about money, it's about deeper trust, better communication, and a shared vision for life you want to create together for yourself. The couple finance formula, it's a three-stage journey path. Your journey, I guide you through what I call the richness path journey. It unfolds with three simple stages. Clarity. You will uncover financial prosperity, current financial position, and your shared values as a couple. And then comes the strategy, because strategy comes after clarity. And you will learn how to budget, save, invest in alignment with your time horizon and risk comfort. Freedom. You will implement a proven system that helps you review your progress together monthly, quarterly, yearly, and with ease and confidence. And that's not one size fit all plan. It's tailored to where you are today, where you want to go together. What you will learn, implement, and gain is you will learn how to make financial money decisions as a couple, and not just logically but emotionally aligned also. You will implement frameworks that simplify your finances, from cash, how to investing after you have started spending or saving, or first investing, from insurance to goal tracking. And you will be able to see all this very transparently, because you will gain tools that bring peace, progress, and empowerment into your everyday money conversations together. Most importantly, you will gain something most couples don't talk about: money harmony. So I invite you, begin your journey. If you're ready to understand your finances, plan your future with confidence, and you feel like a real team when it comes to money, then this is your next step. I invite you to attend my 90 minutes free webinar session, the Couple Finance Formula Masterclass. It is focused, experienced, where over 1,000 couples have gone through with incredible outcomes. You will walk away with clarity, a personalized direction, and tools that make money planning feel natural, not overwhelming. Click the button below to register and get instant access to your free couple money tools. Join the free masterclass now, Couple Finance Formula. Live together, plan tomorrow, prosper forever. But you will discover in the masterclass, if you can attend the 90 minutes free masterclass live interactive session, I'll guide you through three powerful principles that have helped couples together. Three secrets. Number one, the money match method. Learn how to align your values, money beliefs, and lifestyle goals as a couple with zero judgment and lots of understanding. Secret number two, the wealth design framework. Create a plan for your home, vacation, kids, retirement without guilt or confusion. Simplify numbers so that you can focus on what matters. Number three, the Peace Plan Tracker, a simple review system that keeps you both on the same page. No need for complex spreadsheets or financial jargons. And yes, I'll give you access to some incredible tools. Something like the Couple Wealth Checklist, the Money Harmony Quiz, the Joint Vision Board, actionable money rules checklist, and much more. Ready to join the webinar? Remember, this financial freedom concept I'm talking about is just not about how much you earn. It's about how well you align your money with your values, goals, and your partnership together. Let's make this the moment you take your first step together. I'm Taresh Bhatia, thanking you for joining me in this session. Click below and I'll see you inside the Couple Finance Formula Masterclass. Register now on couple.Learn. See you live then in the webinar. Thank you and enjoy your married life.